How to install 1PIXMEDIA on Firestick. I'm going to show you how to install 1PIXMEDIA in just a few simple steps. Step 1, we need to enable unknown sources. So on your Firestick, just go to settings and then My Fire TV and then go to developer options. From here, turn on apps from unknown sources and ADB debugging. Now next is to download and install the downloader app. Go to the Amazon App Store and simply search for downloader. Install and open the downloader app. Now from here, we need to enter the latest 1PIXMEDIA URL. According to their website, it's just this 1pixmedia.com, but according to some articles in Reddit, it is no longer working and they have a few codes here that we can try. So I can suggest you try for that and maybe be posted on Reddit to see if there are new updates. Now, once installed, just open the 1PIXMEDIA from your apps, sign in if needed, and enjoy your content.